Reflection and refraction. Reflection and refraction are fundamental concepts in the study of optics. They describe how light interacts with surfaces and changes direction as it passes through different media. Reflection refers to the process by which light waves bounce off a surface and return to their original direction. This occurs when light strikes a surface and is either absorbed or reflected. The angle at which the light hits the surface is known as the angle of incidence, while the angle at which it reflects off the surface is known as the angle of reflection. Laws of reflection. The laws of reflection describe how light waves behave when they are reflected off a surface. There are two main laws of reflection. First law of reflection. The angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. This means that the angle at which light strikes a surface is the same as the angle at which it is reflected off the surface. Second law of reflection. The incident ray, the reflected ray, and the normal to the surface all lie in the same plane. This means that the plane containing the incident ray and the normal to the surface is the same as the plane containing the reflected ray and the normal to the surface. These laws apply to all types of surfaces, whether they are smooth or rough, and whether they are opaque or transparent. Refraction, on the other hand, is the bending of light as it passes through a medium with a different density than the one it is currently in. This happens because the speed of light changes as it enters a new medium, which causes it to change direction. The degree to which light is bent when it passes through a medium is determined by its refractive index, which is a measure of how much the speed of light changes when it enters a new medium. Laws of refraction. The laws of refraction describe how light waves behave when they pass through a medium with a different refractive index. There are two main laws of refraction. First law of refraction. The incident ray, the refracted ray, and the normal to the surface all lie in the same plane. This means that the plane containing the incident ray and the normal to the surface is the same as the plane containing the refracted ray and the normal to the surface. Second law of refraction. The ratio of the sine of the angle of incidence to the sine of the angle of refraction is equal to a constant value known as the refractive index. This is known as Snell's law. n1 sin theta 1 equals n2 sin theta 2. Where n1 and n2 are the refractive indices of the two media, and theta 1 and theta 2 are the angles of incidence and refraction, respectively. These laws apply to all types of media, including solids, liquids, and gases, and are important in understanding the behavior of lenses and other optical devices.